Welcome to CompareThat.com, where you select the comparison criteria and we give you a ranked list of the items that best match your wishes. Quickest and easiest way to compare is to use the guided compare option. So let's first go ahead and select our category, in this case fruits and vegetables. Then we want to choose guided compare. Then once we do that, it'll ask you a series of questions. Just go ahead and choose what you want to compare, in this case fruits and vegetables. Hit next. And then we're going to ask you how important each are these three criteria to you. Low total fat, high potassium, high total carbohydrates. We'll say that a low total fat is very important to us. We'll leave potassium at the mid-level. And then we'll also say total carbohydrates are important as well. Once you choose those, hit next. And then our algorithm will go through and calculate which of the fruits and or vegetables best match your criteria. Once you come to the results, you can also make changes to these criteria as well, and it will recalculate based on any changes that you make. But as you can see, potatoes is the #1 item based on your criteria of what's important to you.